Hi everybody, I was hoping to give you some more information on this Star Wars Minecraft server that we're thinking about putting together. Ryan is working on getting it built on the server right now, and he and I watched this session at the Digital Shift virtual conference the other day, and it's really good, and we're going to pattern our progress on what they did in Darien, Connecticut, and I think they run a county-wide server there. So I'm going to go through their PowerPoint. I wasn't able to get their video. I'm not going to do as good of a job as they did, but I'll try and go through what it is that we're trying to accomplish. These are the folks that did the session. They were fantastic. All right, so the first few slides just talk about how Minecraft is such an important part of the kids' lives right now. If you do a search on YouTube for Minecraft, you will get 48 million videos. Some are how-tos, some are look what I did, some are how do I do things, and stuff like that. You'll find a lot of kids streaming their sessions on Twitch, which is it's like a YouTube, but mostly for gamers. We have kids creating animation and music and using Minecraft as an inspiration for creating their own mashups and things on YouTube. This is live action role playing. This is kids actually dressing up like Minecraft characters. There are some famous YouTubers of note. The one called Sky has 11 million subscribers and over almost 3 billion views for his videos. That's incredible. This YouTube blogger has a lot of subscribers. She has, she's going through some gender identity issues and she's working them out. And you can see that kids are looking for communities online that they can follow and communicate with and commiserate with. And this is what we're talking about. So this is the Fairfield County Minecraft website. It is fcminecraft.org. And what we're going to try to do is, excuse me, what they did is that they built this welcome center. So everyone starts in the welcome center. And then they have portals to different towns. So what we could do is each library that wants to participate, we could section off the server so that you have your own section so that the kids could build in your section. And other kids could visit, but they can't mess up your stuff. Or we could do one giant server where everybody's building together. These are some questions that I would have for you guys about how you want to do this. And the way that it would work is that they can log in with their own accounts if they want. We're going to have a whitelist. So one of the things that you would have to do is provide us with a list of information, and what that information is, we're not sure yet. We have to check that. You would provide us their names and account information so that we can whitelist them so that they'll be allowed on our server. And you can also buy a copy of the game. Really, when you buy a copy of the game, you're really buying an account. So if you don't want to spend the $26.95, you could just put the client on your machines and ask the kids to come to the library and use their own accounts if they have them. The reason that I mentioned buying at least one account is for the kids that may not have one, in which case you would create a library account. You'd log in for them because you don't want to give out that account information. You'd log in for them and then they could work on the project. And I think that maybe kids could bring their own laptops in. This is a PC-only server. Unfortunately, it doesn't work across systems. So like if you have a PlayStation 4, you can go online to servers, but you're going to have to go online through the PlayStation Network, pay $5 a month for that privilege, and only PlayStation users can access those servers. The same thing goes for the Xbox. Now, there's also one for tablets, and that's also different servers. So we're doing the vanilla server that everyone can access from computer, because we have to draw the line and make it one thing. So you can go either way. All right, so once we have this server built, you'll be able to go in and do stuff. One of the things that's really nice is that we can keep it safe. We can put language controllers on there. We have the students' information, and so it's a safe place for them to go and collaborate. And we have the chat logs, so if there's ever a problem, we can go back and, see who's trolling or who's causing a problem. And, I would contact the contact person at that library to talk to that kid. Here's an example of what I would see every time I first log into the server. And, I can kind of keep track of any problems that are occurring. And these are just some slides to talk about, the good relationship that librarians can have with the kids using Minecraft, how they have to do reading when they're playing, how they have to look up different recipes, how they have to craft different items, what kinds of resources they need to get. It's very strategic. This is a chart of all the things that you can collect in the game and then use together to craft other things. And that's about it. I think that tells you everything that you need to know for now. What I'd like to do is get everyone's email who's interested in being on a Minecraft server email list, and then as Ryan and I build this thing and get the wrinkles out, we can communicate with just the people that want to be communicated with, not just the whole youth list. So I hope that answers a lot of your questions. If it doesn't, please give me a call or send me an email. Thanks.